Welcome to the 2025 Abilities Expo.
Good morning, everybody. Dave Stevens here at day one of the Abilities Expo, and we've got a great weekend in store for you. In fact, this year they've paired with Easter Seals to give away these amazing t-shirts that says disability is not a dirty word, and there are so many amazing people here today. The vendors showing the products for the disabled community and all those with seen and unseen disabilities that are here for the weekend. Let's show you what's going on day one of the Abilities Expo in Los Angeles at the Convention Center.
We're here at the Abilities Expo. I chair the Cal Able program for the state of California, where people with disabilities can save up to $19,000 in their own name and not jeopardize their SSI or SSDI. Come on down. We'll offer a $50 bonus if you sign up here or anytime this weekend. We are at booth 433. Join us.
I am strong, stronger than I knew. I am brave.
Hi, I am Marna Michele. I'm a singer and songwriter. I have arthrogryposis. I am a former contestant of American Idol, and I had the honor of performing at the Abilities Expo, and I love it here so much. I don't think of it as a challenge. I think of it as inspiration to write songs about it. So, yeah, it's hard to get our wheels in the door or our foot in the door, but I'm never going to stop, and I'm going to break those barriers down to sing.
I am lightning, lightning, lightning. I am lightning, lightning, lightning.
This is probably Expo 15, 20. It's innumerable. You know what? This expo is probably the biggest one I think I've seen, and I'm having a great time and meeting new people and finding new products.
So far, I've gone through 2 aisles. Yes, I think the mobility, the wheelchair, the scooters, they've pretty much improved, lighter, last longer. I'm not sure about the pricing yet, but I think I like them.
Fitting that we're here near Disneyland, and you have the biggest line here, just like Disneyland. You got to wait a while, and you can't take that handicap to the front row at this place. But how important and how fun is it to be a part of this event?
You know, it's so much fun, David. We're having a great day today. You know, you got to be patient. I get it. There's a lot of people here, but if you have the desire to climb on the climbing wall, we can make that happen. You just want to really have the desire to want to try, and we can make that happen for you. We have different ways of climbing. We have a pulley system where you can do aid climbing and do pull-ups, just kind of like what I did. I climbed El Capitan years ago. I did 7,000 pull-ups in 8 days. For a lot of disabled people, this wall is like your El Capitan. It's 25 feet, and you have to want it. It doesn't come easy. This isn't Disneyland. This is something where you have to work for it. So come on down to the Abilities Expo show. We're going to be here tomorrow, 11 to 5. Sunday, we're here from 11 to 4. Come on down, check it out. I'll see you here. Take care.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Touchdown, double time. Sunday. Let's live it up.
We are Shane and Hannah, and we're here to share our love story with all of you. We're going to talk about how we met, how we fell in love, how bad I am at planning dates. We're also going to talk about our experiences with ableism and inaccessibility and what led us to become the YouTubers and disability advocates that we are today.
That's a lot of chicken.
$70 worth of chicken. It's going to be delicious.
Who are you feeding?
The guys back at the Extreme Modus booth. We make all-terrain wheelchairs and we eat chicken.
Well, that's going to do it for day one at the Abilities Expo. I climbed in the OxyLife hyperbaric chamber to help me look a little younger and feel a little younger, but my buddy Logan walked away, and I'm worried that I'm going to be trapped in here for the rest of the expo. In fact,
my voice is starting to feel weird. Please help me get out of here. Hey, somebody help me. I don't want to be trapped in here for the rest of the Abilities Expo.